Now let's look at this question. This is from year 2011. This is question number 2 and part B of this question. You can pause the video to read it a little bit, but I don't think this part B has a relation with part A. Now let's work on it. X-rays are used to take photographs of bones inside the body. X-rays photons typically have frequencies in the range 10 to the power of 16 Hz to 10 to the power of 19 Hz. An X-ray photon has energy of 191 e volts. Calculate the frequency of the light. Okay, so now we are given like the energy of some photon, and we want to know the frequency of this photon. We can use this equation. Really straightforward, right? Really basic. E photon is going to be h times f, and we know that your h is Planck's constant, and we were given this E here, and we want to know the frequency, so it's pretty straightforward, right? So f is going to be E over h, and all we have to do is to, like tap some buttons, keys on our calculator. So yeah, and let me use another color to put on the blanks here, put on the lines here. Now we have E is going to be equal to h times f, so f is going to be equal to E over h, and then we write some numbers in, and then we use our calculator. So E is 199. Now 199 is in the unit of electron volts, and we know that we want to convert it into joules. We have this kind of a relationship here between the e volts and then the joules, and then over what? Over Planck's constant to the power of 34. Okay, let's let me try to remember this. 199 times 7. Okay, 1.6. Okay, all right. Let's use our calculator. Okay, let's move our calculator down here a little bit. Let's move our calculator down here a little bit. So it is going to be, maybe we use the fraction first, right? So we have, what do we have? 191 times 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19. Now over 6.63 times 10 to the power of negative 34. It is going to be equal to 4.61. Okay, we rounded to 2 decimal places. Okay, 4.61. Now remember, this index is 16 here, so it is going to be equal to 4. Okay, let me write it here. Yeah, let's keep this fraction sign here, this bar. Okay, so it is going to be, wait, what? What is it? 4.61. 4.61 times 10 to the power of 16 Hertz. I think this one is pretty straightforward, right? We just use the equation, and we just tap some of the keys on the calculator. We calculate this mathematically, I would say. So this is question 2B of past paper. It is from 2011.